Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Mazda CX-5 trunk. First, let's look at the most common ways to get into your cargo area. You can easily find the exterior release button, usually located just above the license plate on the tailgate. Simply press it once the vehicle is unlocked. Alternatively, your key fob offers a dedicated button to pop the trunk, providing quick access from a distance. Sometimes you might need to open the trunk from inside the car. Look for a small lever or button near the driver's seat, often by the fuel door release, which will unlatch the trunk. For emergencies, especially if someone is accidentally locked inside, there's a glow-in-the-dark handle located on the inside of the trunk lid. Pulling this handle will immediately open the trunk, ensuring safety. Many Mazda CX-5 models feature a convenient power liftgate. You can activate it by pressing and holding the dedicated button on your key fob for a few seconds. To close it, simply press the button located on the underside of the tailgate itself. If the liftgate doesn't open or close smoothly, always check for any obstructions in its path as a safety measure. Here are a few helpful tips for your CX-5 trunk. Always make sure your vehicle is unlocked before attempting to open the trunk from the exterior button. A fresh battery in your key fob ensures reliable remote operation, so consider replacing it every 1 to 2 years. And speaking of convenience, if you love to read, you'll want to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.